Yo, what is up, guys? We are back for another video. Today, we are going to try to put Bluetooth on the M3. The M3 still has its stock radio, so when I'm driving around, I have to listen to the radio the whole entire time, which sometimes is good if a good song's on, but other times it's shit. So, we're going to see if it works. I bought a little adapter thing we're going to take a look at here real quick on Amazon. And it's cheap. I think it was like $20-$30. We're going to see if it works. It may not. This video may be good. It may be shit. I guess we'll find out. So let's take a look. All right. Let's take a look. We have this, and it's from China. There's a mic in here too. I don't think I'm going to be using that. But I think it looks pretty straightforward. It looks like it's going to plug in. The radio is going to plug in here, and then this is going to plug into the radio, I think. And then this is a little Bluetooth deal. As you can see, there's absolutely no instructions. Sorry, guys, I'm sick. But I think it's going to be pretty straightforward. So this is the little adapter deal. Let's go take apart the car and see how it goes. Also, guys, let me know how the audio is. I bought a Rode mic. I'm still using my phone, so it still should be the same good quality, but a little bit better audio. I'll have to show you my little setup thing that I made with the little handheld mount that I have and my little Rode mic. So I think this is, it's going to be clear, for doing these videos how the audio is, but it's really going to help with the car, going to the track and things like that with wind noise and being able to pick up that audio and the clear sounds a little bit better. So anyway, let's take a look, guys. Alright, so I'm going to be using some plastic trim tools. We have to take off this piece right here, and then there's another piece here, and then the radio will just unbolt and come right out. So let's see how this goes. I actually replaced some of these clips, and my luck, I'll be doing it again after I break them right here, but let's see if I can get them out without messing them all up. And there we go. And I think the clips literally came out with it. Great. Yep. Great. Okay. That didn't go great, but I didn't break them, so whatever. Alright, looks like there are 2 Phillips head bolts that's going to hold in the radio. I know some people are probably thinking like, oh, why don't you just put a radio here? Well, I think it's going to look like shit if I do that, because it's only a radio is only like this big as I hit my eject button, and I'm sure you can hear that. So, all right. Put these here. I think pull this out. This beautiful high quality BMW business CD. Oh Jesus. Wow. Alright, that's a little, somebody has definitely been in here before. That's great. Probably won't work now. So you slide up on this little deal. I think you can see this. Slide up on that, and it pulls right out of the back. And then there's the back of this. And my dumbass didn't bring in the adapter, so let me go get that. Alright, so I think this side with the clip is going to plug into the radio, and then the other more male side is going to plug into the factory harness. So let's go ahead and get this side plugged in. Again, you're going to open that up, plug. I know I'm not going to be able to get good angles here. plug this side in. There's like 2 plugs, so this is probably gonna be a little difficult. Okay, fuck this. Let's do this outside the car. Okay, I think it's gonna be a little bit better. So again, this side is gonna be the side that goes into here. There's a little piece right here. It's got to go down here, and then the plug up here. So let's see if we can get it plugged in. Oh God. So far, not feeling great. My luck, I won't have the same one. It looks the same. Yeah, it definitely looks the same. There it goes. Ugh. I think it just kind of lined up. Kind of. Ooh. Ooh, that don't sound good. Okay. I don't know if that's good or not. Okay. That actually feels good. Okay. So I think this is a little Bluetooth deal right here. And then this should go back into the factory harness. Okay. So let's try that. Let's get back in the car. Okay. We are now going to plug it into this harness. It's definitely got power. Okay, I think we got it. Now we got to get all this shit shoved back in there. That Bluetooth receiver in there. Okay. Oh God. Ugh. Wonderful. Nope. Okay. What the hell am I getting caught up on? It's probably that. I can move it that way. Nope, that's worse. Clearly this is going to be the worst part. Because there is not great amount of room. I think if I can get it back. Alright, boys and girls, here's the fucking recap on this piece of shit. Don't buy it. Okay? Let me tell you. Not only did it not work, okay, honestly, my radio just could be messed up because I unplugged like the lower connection, the one that's here on the stock one, and my CD player still works. I'm pretty sure this connector, that's supposed to replace the CD deal, and it's supposed to trick the CD player into playing the audio coming through this. And I unplugged this connector on the factory radio and put a CD in, and it still plays the audio. So my radio just could be fucked up, but this thing is kind of shitty. It didn't work for me, okay? But not only that, it like this thing is so big and bulky. There's no place to like shove. I couldn't get the radio back in. I'm sure if I played with it long enough, I could have been able to get the radio in, but it was a bitch to do that. It didn't work. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to burn CDs like I'm in 2003 and listen to CDs. I'm gonna have to break out like an old Nelly Nelly CD or something and just roll around some fucking Nelly or something. I don't know. Anyway, like in the beginning of the video, I said it's either going to be shit or it's going to be good, and it's shit. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching. I got another thing we're going to be doing here on probably the next video. I have a new fuel filter. So there's just a little teeny fuel filter in the back of this car. It's been fine. The fuel system's been fine, but it always worries me. So I bought a 10 micron filter from Motion Raceworks. I also got in the new, they have a giveaway going on where you get entries to win. They have this Fox Body Mustang with like super low miles, bunch of parts, and like $7,500. Anyway, guys, yeah, it's like $7,500. I have probably no chance of winning, but we'll see how that goes. But I also got some air hose and this thing to fill up some tires. We'll see how that is. I have an air compressor hopefully coming this weekend, so I can at least fill up my tires. My tires are flat as hell. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. We'll get this fuel filter on, make a video on that. But thanks, guys.